Imagine this, it's mid-afternoon, you're feeling a bit low on energy, and that craving for a snack is creeping in. For most of us, it's tempting to reach for something quick and convenient, like chips or a sugary treat. But here's the thing, what we eat as a snack can make or break our energy levels, mood, and even our long-term health. So today, let's dive into some easy, healthy snack ideas you can make at home that are not only satisfying but also packed with nutrients that'll keep you energized throughout the day. First on the list, we have the classic pairing of apple slices and almond butter. Simple, right? But here's what makes this duo a powerhouse. Apples are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping those cravings in check. And almond butter? It's a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein. The combination of fiber from the apple and protein from the almond butter means this snack will keep you fuller for longer. Just remember to go for natural almond butter with no added sugar. You want the good stuff. Next up, let's talk about Greek yogurt with berries. Now, Greek yogurt is special because it's packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, those friendly bacteria that support gut health. When you top it with berries, you're adding antioxidants and natural sweetness without the need for any added sugar. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all of these options are great choices. Plus, studies have shown that the antioxidants in berries can improve memory and cognitive function over time. So it's not just a tasty snack, it's a brain-boosting one too. Ever thought about roasting chickpeas? They're incredibly easy to make and deliver a satisfying crunch that rivals any chip. Simply toss a can of chickpeas in a bit of olive oil, sprinkle with your favorite seasonings, maybe a dash of paprika, garlic powder, or even a hint of cumin, and roast them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Chickpeas are loaded with fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, giving you steady energy without a sugar crash. Plus, they're rich in folate, which supports brain health, making this a super snack in more ways than one. And for those who crave something a little sweeter, date energy balls might be your new best friend. All you need are dates, nuts like almonds or walnuts, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and maybe a touch of cocoa powder if you want a chocolatey taste. Blend these ingredients in a food processor, roll into bite-sized balls, and voila, you've got a naturally sweet snack that's full of fiber, healthy fats, and minerals like magnesium, which is known to support muscle and nerve function. These energy balls are great for a quick pick-me-up and have become a favorite for many who need an energy boost. If you're looking for something green, avocado toast with a twist might just hit the spot. Start with whole grain bread for added fiber, then mash half an avocado on top, sprinkle with some sea salt, and for an extra boost, add some cherry tomatoes or a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Avocado is full of healthy monounsaturated fats that help keep your heart healthy and your skin glowing. The added fiber from the bread and healthy fats from the avocado work together to keep you satisfied, while the cherry tomatoes or pumpkin seeds add a nice burst of flavor and extra nutrients. Now for my bonus tip, when preparing these snacks, try to avoid any pre-packaged versions if possible. Studies show that processed snacks, even seemingly healthy ones, can often contain hidden sugars, salts, and unhealthy fats. Making snacks at home ensures that you know exactly what's going into them, and it's usually much more affordable. And there you have it. These easy, delicious, and nutrient-packed snacks are not only great for your body, but can also keep you feeling your best throughout the day. Next time those cravings hit, skip the vending machine and try one of these options instead. You might just find that making healthier choices becomes easier, and a whole lot tastier, than you ever imagined.